Hi, my name is Jim Long. I am the CEO of Moto Visions. We are a custom car builder of both custom hot rods and race cars. We have a great professional need for finding experienced fabricators, electrical folks, engineering type people who can do chassis work and all the good things in the projects we have. So we thought out and looked for a company to help us and found Mechanic Marketplace, and who has turned out to be just an exceptional resource. So I want to say that these guys have just, with their ability to connect into all the different market areas to find our people, have just been, I can't praise their experience and all the efforts and expedients that they do to help us. So anyway, Eli, thank you very much, and appreciate everything you've done for us.